Hello kids, today we are going to learn about robin bird. Let's learn together. Fact about robins. Habitat. Robin lives in gardens, parks, woodland, hedgerows. They are known for how tame they can be and can often be seen feeding on bark tables during winter months. Which countries do they live in? Robins can be found in most countries all over the Europe. However, robins do not live in Mediterranean coast or northern Scandinavia. Oh no, sunset. Now further afield. They can also found in some part of northern Africa, central Russia, the Azores and Canary Island. Appearance. Robin had red and orange face and bare breast which has a grey border around it, and their back and wings are brown, but the rest of the bodies are white. What type of food they eat? Robin feeds on berries, seeds, insects, and worms. Territories. Robins are very territorial. Male bird marks out his territory by singing loudly, particularly in spring. Males can also be seen fighting each other if their territories are threatened. These fights can be brutal and can result in death. Interesting fact, in the past, robins were often depicted as notepaper with an image of a bird with an envelope in its beak delivering Christmas mail. Because of this, robins now symbolize Christmas in Britain. They can be often seen on Christmas cards, stamps, and decorations. So kids, hopes you learn about robin, and next Monday again we'll learn something very interesting. Bye for today.